Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials how to hide recent file. Okay, as default if you open the Photoshop it will be show for the recent file, and if you want to hide this recent file you can go to edit menu, preference, and then click on file handling. After it will be show for preference dialog box in a file handling. Now you can go to the bottom, recent file list contents. In here you can set into 0 file. After it, you can click OK. And then recent file will be automatically hide. If you want to show again, you can go to edit, preference, file handling. And then you can set this recent file contents like I will set into 10. It will be only show for 10 files. Click OK. And you only see 10 file in your welcome screen. Okay, that's it for basic Photoshop tutorials, how to hide recent files. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.